Hey folks, welcome to the Big Seed YouTube channel. Today, I don't have anything to do. I'm off today. I'm gonna try to figure out something to do, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, and hopefully we have a bunch of fun. So hang tight. Just like that, started right up. Excuse me. Just like that, started right up. First thing we got to do, folks, is we got some garbage in the back of the truck, so we're gonna go dump that first. That was easy. Moving on, we're going to the garage. Here we go. All right, folks, I'm looking for something, but I don't see what I'm looking for. So, I've got a bunch of junk. Yes, I do. I didn't find what I was looking for, but I found a hat. That's pretty cool. So, folks, I'm looking for something in particular. When I find it, I'll show you. But right now, I'm having a hard time remembering what I did with it. So, anyway. And yeah, that's a giant TV in my backseat. It's too heavy for me to move by myself. So we're just gonna haul it around for a while. So I'm on my way to my folks right now. I gotta help my mom with a couple of chores, and then we're gonna mess around and do something else. I just wanna let y'all know I'm doing this because I'm bored to death, first of all. Second of all, I have zero content to give you guys. So I just figured I'd make a vlog video and be like a YouTuber does, I guess. I don't know. So I'm still new to this. Terrible, but I'm gonna do something. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Loser. So I stopped and got me some lunch. The thing I was looking for, I still haven't found, so we're gonna do something different now. I gotta get some oil, and we're gonna change the oil in this truck. It's been due for a while now, but I'm lazy, so that's our big deal. We're at, guess where? Walmart. Then we'll go by O'Reilly's, get us a filter, and then we'll be all set. So I'll check with y'all in a bit. So yeah, Walmart is stupid. I stood in line for 10 minutes. I got tired of waiting, and I just said the heck with it and walked out. So we're gonna get oil somewhere else. Say, bye. And now we're at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. So we got us a filter. You wouldn't believe, but this little tiny filter is for a big block Chevrolet, 8.1 liter. It's crazy. All right, folks, so we didn't get oil at Walmart, so I'm gonna try Rural King. I'll see you there. Here we are, folks. We made it to Rural King. Wish me luck.
No, you don't help. You're 6 years old.
So we got the oil, we got the beer. That's the most important thing. Now we'll head to the shop and get something done. So hey, folks, we made it to the shop. Here we are. I've been driving this truck for about 3 hours now, so we're gonna let him cool off. So we're gonna find something else to do. So just hang tight. Hey folks, so I got us a log splitter hooked up to the buggy. We're gonna go split some wood and have a big time. Ready to go. Here we go, here we go. Yay! So there's a little bit of a wood pile here. We need to bake big wood into little wood, and we'll do it. Just start with this one. Okay, folks, I'm gonna split some wood. I don't want to bore you with 30 minutes of the log splitter going through wood, so we'll change oil after a while, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, folks, we got the blue truck in. We're gonna change the oil. It's gonna be fun. Let's pop the hood here. See what's going on under there. I know y'all love that 8.1. It's got all the tornadoes. All right, folks, here we go. After you're turned over, put you over there, I guess. Hell, I don't know what y'all can see. $15 millimeters. Golly. think y'all can see that at all, can you? All right, well, whatever, who cares? Try not to drop my thing in the bucket. Yep, there we go. Okay, folks, got the oil changed, got the air filter changed. Looks like that. Got the oil in it. We're gonna start it up. And then we got a really low tire in the back there. So we're gonna check on that. See, it must have a nail in it or something. So we'll fix that too. But anyway, that's about it for today. Something else fun happens, I'll put it on here. See you back.